Hey, what's up? Yeah. Check this out. Look at all these. Oh. I got nice cards. Like here. Reggie Jackson jersey. Yeah. Yeah, that's a nice one. Or, like, Derek Jeter and Alex Rodriguez jersey, dual jersey. And the good thing about it is, for me it says 1 of 1. A lot of nice cards here. Yeah. Like CC Sabathia jersey. Also have a real 1933 Babe Ruth card. I know, it's beaten up. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's cool.